The 9 best foods and drinks to have before bed. If the thought of sleep gives you nightmares, look at what you're eating. The best foods to eat before bed might be able to offer you a much better night. Getting quality sleep can lower the risk of developing chronic illnesses, keep your brain healthy, and strengthen your immune system. Therefore, it's generally recommended to aim for 7 to 8 hours of uninterrupted sleep each night. However, many people struggle to get enough rest. Several strategies can promote good sleep, including dietary changes, as some foods and drinks have sleep-inducing properties. Additionally, maintaining consistent meal times can be beneficial. Here are the 9 best foods and drinks to consume before bed to enhance your sleep quality. 1. Almonds. Almonds are a rich source of various nutrients, and regular consumption can help reduce the risk of diseases such as type 2 diabetes and heart disease, thanks to their healthy monounsaturated fats, fiber, and antioxidants. They may also improve sleep quality. Almonds contain vitamin B and magnesium, which can promote better sleep. Adequate magnesium intake, in particular, can enhance sleep quality, especially for those with insomnia. Additionally, almonds, like several other nuts, contain melatonin, a hormone that regulates your internal clock and signals your body to prepare for sleep. A study involving rats given 400 mg, mg, of almond extract found that the rats slept longer and more deeply than without the extract. However, more extensive human studies are needed to confirm these findings. 2. Turkey. Turkey is delicious, nutritious, and rich in protein, which helps maintain muscle strength and regulate appetite. It also provides essential nutrients like riboflavin, phosphorus, and selenium. Additionally, turkey contains the amino acid tryptophan, which boosts melatonin production and can induce drowsiness. The protein in turkey may also help promote tiredness. Some evidence suggests that consuming moderate amounts of protein before bed is linked to better sleep quality, including fewer nighttime awakenings. However, more research is needed to confirm turkey's potential role in enhancing sleep. 3. Chamomile tea. Chamomile tea is a popular herbal beverage that offers various health benefits. It is well known for its flavones, a class of antioxidants that reduce inflammation, potentially preventing chronic diseases such as cancer and heart disease. Additionally, chamomile tea has unique properties that may enhance sleep quality. One key compound in chamomile tea is apigenin, an antioxidant that binds to specific receptors in the brain, promoting sleepiness and reducing insomnia. A 2017 study on older adults found that those who consumed 400 mg, mg, of chamomile extract twice daily for 4 weeks slept better than those who did not. However, more current research on chamomile tea specifically and its effects on sleep is needed. 4. Kiwi. Kiwis are a low-calorie and highly nutritious fruit that may benefit digestive health, reduce inflammation, and lower cholesterol. These benefits are due to the high levels of fiber and carotenoid antioxidants found in kiwis. They may also be one of the best foods to eat before bed. The sleep-promoting effects of kiwis are sometimes attributed to serotonin, a brain chemical that helps regulate your sleep cycle. A diet rich in fruits like kiwis may support better sleep. Additionally, the anti-inflammatory antioxidants in kiwis, such as vitamin C, may also contribute to their sleep-promoting effects. However, more scientific research is needed to fully understand the impact of kiwis on sleep improvement. 5. Tart cherry juice. Tart cherry juice offers modest amounts of important nutrients such as magnesium, phosphorus, and potassium, and is also rich in antioxidants. It is known to promote sleepiness due to its high melatonin content and has been studied for its potential to relieve insomnia. For these reasons, drinking tart cherry juice before bed may improve sleep quality. However, more extensive research is needed to confirm its effectiveness in enhancing sleep and preventing insomnia. 6. Fatty fish. Fatty fish, such as salmon, tuna, trout, and mackerel, are exceptionally healthy. They are particularly notable for their high vitamin D content. For instance, a 3-ounce, 85-gram, serving of sockeye salmon provides 570 international units, IU, of vitamin D, which is 71% of the daily value, DV. A similar serving of farmed rainbow trout offers 81% of the DV. Additionally, fatty fish are rich in healthy omega-3 fatty acids, specifically eicosapentaenoic acid, EPA, and docosahexaenoic acid, DHA, which are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. Together with vitamin D, omega-3 fatty acids may help protect against heart disease and support brain health. 7. Walnuts. Walnuts are a popular tree nut rich in nutrients and a great source of healthy fats, including omega-3 fatty acids and linoleic acid. They have been studied for their ability to reduce high cholesterol levels, a major risk factor for heart disease. Additionally, some researchers suggest that eating walnuts can improve sleep quality, as they are one of the best food sources of melatonin. The fatty acids in walnuts may also contribute to better sleep, as indicated by a study on mice. However, more human studies are needed to confirm the sleep-enhancing benefits of walnuts. 8. Passionflower tea. Passionflower tea is another herbal tea traditionally used to treat various health ailments. It is a rich source of flavonoid antioxidants, which are known for their role in reducing inflammation. Additionally, passionflower tea has been studied for its potential to alleviate symptoms of anxiety, depression, and other psychiatric disorders. A small study suggests that passionflower increases the production of gamma-aminobutyric acid, GABA, a brain chemical that inhibits stress-inducing chemicals like glutamate. The calming properties of passionflower tea may promote sleepiness, making it beneficial to drink before bed. 9. White rice. White rice is a staple food widely consumed in many countries. The key difference between white and brown rice is that white rice has had its bran and germ removed, making it lower in fiber, nutrients, and antioxidants. Despite this, white rice still contains a reasonable amount of several vitamins and minerals. White rice is high in carbs, and its lack of fiber contributes to its high glycemic index, GI. Older research suggests that consuming high GI foods like white rice at least 1 hour before bed may help improve sleep quality. However, this research primarily involved professional athletes, who might need more carbs than the average person. A 2020 review indicates that the evidence supporting high GI foods' ability to aid sleep is mixed, and further study is needed. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.